Hello everyone, I'm Vishak C. Carey. I'm one of the first year infectious diseases fellow at Wayne State University. So, the research that we are presenting is a public health initiative and it is titled Vaccine Ambassadors, an Educational Model to Spread Awareness about Vaccines in Detroit. So, COVID 19 has shown us that vaccination is so important in reducing morbidity and mortality, yet the vaccination rates have been just 75%. The key problem here could be misinformation, and that's where community involvement becomes so important. Their education probably can improve vaccination rates. One of the key members of community that can be involved in this and often overlooked are the youth. They are enthusiastic, creative, and have a high amount of energy, and they could provide a different perspective to this initiative. So involving them paves way for a new generation of further leadership as well. And most importantly, they the peer-to-peer communication can also improve the way in which the information is being disseminated among the population. So, as a result, we developed a vaccine ambassador training. We involved the youths and made them vaccine ambassadors. So, in the Detroit area high school, we recruited students who, as vaccine ambassadors, and they had to be high achievers and willing to commit for 12 months. We gave them training for 3 weeks, and the training was done by Wayne State University School of Medicine students and faculty. And the topics covered were history of vaccines, immunology behind vaccines, types of vaccines, how it is administered, what is herd immunity, and various aspects of false news and how teaching has to be done as well. Additionally, Wayne State University Dean of Communication also discussed teaching etiquettes and understanding one's audience to further prepare the ambassadors for teaching their peers. We measured our teaching through two surveys. We had a pre survey and a post survey. The survey involved a list of 7 questions which gauged the participants' level of understanding, and we analyzed the knowledge by comparing the mean responses pre and post survey. Since the study is still ongoing, the results are only preliminary. We had 16 participants who completed both the surveys, and the age range was between 6 to 12 years old. And the average number of correct answers in the pre survey was 3.25, that is 46.4%. However, after the vaccine ambassador training, the average correct answers increased to 79.5%. The figure shows the distribution for each of the 7 questions, and you can see the dark green ones are the post survey responses, and the brown ones are the pre survey responses, and for how each question the responses rate had increased after the ambassador training. So this preliminary data shows us that Detroit youth lack the information regarding vaccination, and low knowledge probably could be the reason for vaccination rates being so low. The increase in post survey responses shows that we had initial success in uh, in educating the youth for regarding effectiveness of vaccination and youth-led health education in the community. Not only are the youth able to learn from this, but they will be able to apply their knowledge and teach others in the future as well by teaching their peers, and they themselves can become role models in promoting a healthier living. So, going further, we look at forging more partnerships in the community, addition of advocating of policy change, addition of antibiotic resistance education, and we would also want to add specific HPV education as well. And we are very thankful to the Detroit Community Foundation, Dr. Stephen Lerner and Dr. Matthew Sager specifically, who brought a unique perspective to the topic and provided priceless advice to the coordinators and students of vaccine ambassadors. Thank you.